think you play when like they play, but then in the silence you raise it up an octave. You know what I mean?
I see. Yeah.
So, it's like shit, but it's perfectly shit, if you know what I mean. Because
I mean,
2 octaves down and yeah, just like I don't know how you like.
so hard to hold it.
Yeah, so I feel like
Can't pull that. Oh, that's why low pass. With a B, P means, and a high pass. Low pass.
that's really
Oh!
I'll play it what? You know what's perfect? Who the fuck is gonna be able to do that?
Fuck you! Fuck you! You'll never fucking make that!
With the stop-start stuff. Now we need to give.
I
give
don't
these
know
code names.
whether we are overdoing it now.
Yeah, exactly. I think that
Only because the only problem with having something to break the silence in between each bit is that it ruins the idea of it being stop and start.
exactly.
Because that is like going to be like an iconic part of that bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The only lyrics to the chorus are
I think like
I'm going down. I know I like that, but I'm just thinking,
Do you not think
how
that's
can I? Would you? Like that has to be lyrics there.
yeah.
Make it rap. Yeah, that's better. That'll be fine. Yeah, I haven't learned how to sing chords yet.
Mate, I would have.
Going down like that.
Yeah, but it's.
'Cause I'm going down.
I don't know how to play.
Take my everything away, 'cause I'm.
Yeah.
Take my everything
think it just makes.
Been playing together.
Yeah, so you remember that part?
Some parts can't be as
fucking little
plugging
part.
the fucking.
I think it just makes
I've
it
got it on video.
pleasant.
I've got it on video, so I don't need to forget it.
Yeah. Okay.
Just don't save that one.
Yeah. What?
Fuck me.
But when you're singing it, it's hard to pronounce the T.
Let it hurt.
Watch and let it hurt. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it sounds like you're saying her. So I went hurt. Hurt to people do it.
I like proper pronounce the T. It
Yeah.
sounds like it carries on to the next line. Feels like it's like part of the next bit. Like, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how are you supposed to pronounce the T? You don't pronounce the T, but it sounds wrong.
Who cares?
Let it hurt, let it might care.
Technically, the synth ad-lib shit isn't in there either. By ad-lib, I mean just random synth.
Oh,
Not
it
like
is?
actually ad-libbed.
Is it? Woo, woo.
And there's the and then there's the stoppy started the
It doesn't need that many.
oh, I'll keep it tick then.
Okay,
So we're noticing a theme here. Get rid of the strings column, get rid of the solo column.
Yeah.